Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? Solution from here. We have 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x equals odd range. Let's say I factor out 10 to the power x. So when we divide this one by 10 to the power x, we have 1 plus. By dividing this one by 10 to the power x, we have 1 plus. Here is 10 power x, we have 1 divided by, when we take out 5 power x and we divide this one by 5 power x, we have 1 plus. Divide this one by 5 power x, we have 1 equals 1 odd range. And next, here is 10 power x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1. It gives us 3 divided by 5 power x multiplied by 1 plus 1 is 2 equals 1 odd range. In the next step, we are going to apply this rule. Suppose we have a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n. This equals a divided by b raised to power of n. And if I apply it to this 10 to power x divided by 5 power x, what we get here is 10 over 5 power of x multiplied by 3 over 2 equals odd range. And next we have 5 in 10, that is 2 power x multiplied by 3 over 2 equals odd range. And at these two sides, if I multiply 2 out by 2 divided by 3, we know that if you have 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3, this equals 1. So at this side, it becomes 1, which is 2 power x equals 10 1 odd range multiplied by 2 over 3. In the next step, we have 2 power x equals 1 odd range multiplied by 2, that is 2 odd range divided by 3. And let's try to introduce log on both sides. We have log 2 power x equals log 2 odd range divided by 3. And here is division rule, division law of logarithm, as when we have the log of a over b is equals log a minus log b. So therefore, by applying it to this, we have log 2 power x equals log 2 odd range minus log 3. And similarly, for this log 2 to the power x, we consider it as x log 2 equals log 2 odd range minus log 3. And on getting to this stage, let's try to divide both sides by log 2. So we have this divided by log 2 and this also divided by log 2. So by dividing both sides by log 2 in both sides, this cancelled and we have x equals, we can separate this as log 2 odd range divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. And in the next step, we have, so suppose we write this 2 odd range as 8 multiplied by 25 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. And next we have x equals log, if we apply product rule, we have log 8 plus log 25 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. And next we have x equals, so when we separate this, we have this as log 8 divided by log 2 plus log 25 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. And next, let's say we have this 8 as 2 to the power 3, and we can write it as 3 log 2 divided by log 2 plus also this one, we write it as 2 log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. And from the first one, log 2 cancelled log 2. Then we have x equals 3 plus, here is 2 multiplied by log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. And suppose we have log x divided by log y. This is equals log x base y. So for log 5 divided by log 2 and log 3 divided by log 2, we are going to apply that rule. And this implies that x equals 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. And this is the value of x that satisfies this problem, and we can press its numeric value and we get the answer. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.